If you're doing any of these 7 things right now, you're on track to be broke in 10 years. Number 4 is the most dangerous. If you're doing any of these 7 things right now, you're on track to be broke in 10 years. Number 4 is the most dangerous. Sign 1. You spend more than you earn. If your lifestyle costs more than your income every single month, you're not building wealth, you're digging a hole. Sign 2. You have no emergency fund. One unexpected expense, a car repair, a medical bill, a job loss, and your entire financial life falls apart. Sign 3. You're not investing anything. Money sitting in a checking account loses value every year to inflation. If it's not growing, it's shrinking. Sign 4. You lifestyle inflate every raise. Every time you earn more, you spend more. The people who build wealth do the opposite. They bank the difference. Sign 5. You have no additional income streams. One job, one paycheck, one point of failure. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. Sign 6. You avoid looking at your finances. If checking your bank account gives you anxiety, that's not a feeling problem. That's a habit problem. Sign 7. You think you'll figure it out later. Later never comes. The best time to fix your finances was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Follow WealthWired so you never miss a money tip. Which sign hits closest to home? Drop it in the comments.